You want to learn how to make a really quick beat on GarageBand? Well, you came to the right place. My name is MixxSane. We're gonna basically be doing a play along on GarageBand, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and select this and press create. Next thing, we're gonna hold command and press K. This will bring out our virtual keyboard. All right, you can go ahead and test that out. Perfect, it works. Now, over here, we're gonna go ahead and type in big room. And you should see it pop up right there, big room. This is gonna be a drum kit, okay? Now, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna press Z. Press Z, this will bring this down. Now, we can go ahead and press A on our keyboard. Don't actually click it on here unless you want to, if this is how you're doing it, okay? So, A for kicks, S for snare, and E for clap. Up here, we're gonna make sure that our tempo is 105. So you can slide this up and down to change the tempo. So put it on 105, make sure these are selected as your metronome, okay? Press return button to bring your slider in case it's not in the front, and then you're gonna press the space bar to press play. Now, our melody is gonna be A, E, A, A, E, A, E, A, A, E. We're gonna go and press record, which is the R button. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, E, A, A, E, A, E, A, A, E. Now press space to stop, okay? We're gonna make sure that we quantize it. In case there's any notes that were not on, not synced up, press Q on your keyboard. This will fix everything that is out of place. Okay, Q. With your mouse, drag the right top, and this will create a loop. When you play it back, this should be a looped. There you go, looped. Now, on our keyboard, we're gonna press Command D to make another one, and then we're gonna go ahead and type in high, right here, rise, pluck. High, rise, pluck. Now that we have our high, rise, pluck in our second panel, our notes will be S, F, L. This is what it'll sound like. Now, we're gonna go down and press A, D, and K. Switch again. Switch again. There's the melody. Perfect. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and add it in. So go ahead and play your beat. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in case this is a little too fast for you and you can't do it, okay, you can always lower the tempo to at least 90, okay, or lower if you want. But now you got to really listen to the beat, okay? Now, if I'm doing it to this is what it'll sound like. Stop. Press the space. We're gonna press Q, stretch it out, and now we can put this back to 105. Perfect. Cool. Okay. Now we can press Command D. All right, and now for the third one, we can go ahead and type in Dream Dancer. After we have our next panel that is Dream Dancer, our notes will be S, F, J, K. S, F, J, K. This is what we're doing. And then we're going to switch down to A, D, J, K. So the J, K doesn't change. The only thing that changes is the S and F to A and D. So take a look at this section. So I'm going S, F, J, K. Now we're gonna add it in. So go ahead and you gotta let the beat ride so that you can listen to it. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and start. And then stop, cue it. Okay, cue and stretch out and listen to it. And that's literally how you make a really quick beat on GarageBand. Very simple and straightforward. Now, the same thing applies to everything else. You Command D to make a new panel. You select whatever instrument that you want and you add on. Okay, it's all about just playing around with what you like. And that's how you make a really quick beat on GarageBand. Very simple, very straightforward. And please, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.